My wife just bought me a pair of Alpinestars boots for my birthday. Bit of an early birthday present, but I needed the boots. So I think they're called the Alpinestars Plus V2, SMX Plus V2. Man, they're a sexy pair of boots. Got them in all black. I debated on the colours for a little while. The white and black, all black, black and grey, even the yellow, to be honest. But I think that all black just looks really good. So yeah, really excited to try them on, but I wanted to get out and try and catch this sunset. Looks like I'm pretty much missing it though, but it is a dry day, so I've got to make the most of it while I can. Look at that. Touring mode does really take the bite out of the bike. Oh, listen to that. Fucking hell. Oh. Mode. Engine sounding extra rowdy today. Fucking hell. Yeah, tried on those boots, really comfortable. Tried on the Dainese boots as well, the Torque 4s, they looked really sick, but I found the inside of the boot was quite a bit slippy, and it just was a little bit loose around the heel, so I just didn't feel quite, you know, as comfortable, heels moving around a little bit. So yeah, I decided to stick with Alpinestars. Basically become an Alpinestars fanboy now. Bloody hell, what's going on here? Alright. Whew. Yeah, so I have a video coming out later on about the unboxing, you know, putting the boot on, showing you how it looks, how it feels, a little mini review, but I don't know what it feels like on a bike yet, so I have another one coming out like that after I've ridden it for a little while. Gutted I missed the sunset, man, it was so beautiful. There were other bikes about, supercars. Big up Sport Bike Shop, that's where I got my boots from. Always really helpful, let me try on loads of different pairs before I actually bought something. So fair play to them. And actually I've got these Dry-Star Alpinestars boots branded by Ducati already, and they're perfect. They're like waterproof, really good. The only reason I need these boots is if I ever do want to do a track day, they'll serve that purpose, but also they only come up to my ankle, just past my ankle. So if I'm wearing my leathers, there's a gap, and then I look like an idiot with a little skin gap or sock showing between my leathers and boots. So I thought I'd do that, get them boots in. Wife was kind enough to pay for them for my birthday, so I'm gassed. I'll try them on tomorrow, hopefully if it doesn't rain. Do a little bit of filter in here. Fucking way too much traffic for a Saturday, man. Gee, you know what? Let's go this way. It's never a